All right, this is a mass moment of inertia example, and we needed to figure out the mass moment of inertia for steel that is 3 meters long and diameter is 8 centimeters. So right here, our diameter D is 8 centimeters. And how do we solve this problem? In the previous video, we're talking about mass moment of inertia for different shapes have taken on different equations after that integration. So for this shaft, the mass moment of inertia, is going to be equal to half mr squared because this is a cylinder, right? So for cylinder, it's going to be this equation. Then let's see, what do we know so far? Can we figure out the mass? Can we figure out the radius? Yeah, the radius is quite easy. We can figure out the radius here. So let's do that. The radius is going to be half of the diameter. And that's going to be 4 centimeters. So now the key thing needs to be solved. It's going to be the mass. We know the mass is the density times volume, right? Let's do it. Density is mass over volume. So mass is going to be density times volume. And the density is given. It's a 7A60, and that's steel. Kilogram per meter cube. That's density. And the volume of a cylinder, right? That's what we needed to solve. How do you solve volume of a cylinder? All right, you already know this. The volume of a cylinder is going to be equal to pi r squared times height, right? For this cylinder. And height is right here. And r is right here. That's our radius. So we know everything so far because we do know our r. R is 4 centimeters, but since we're going to mix up with meters, so I would love to change that to centimeter to meter. So that's going to be 0.04 meter. That's pi r squared, and our h is basically your height. It's your length when you flip down your cylinder. So that's 3 meters. That will give us a unit of meter cube for the volume. Then you can cancel out this meter cube right here, right? But be aware that's square for 0.04 also. So when we calculate that, we can get the mass of this steel shaft. So 7A60 times pi, and then times 0.04 square, and then times 3. Then I have 118.47. And that's in kilogram for the mass. Then we can go back to this mass moment of inertia for the cylinder equation. I equal to half mr squared, and half mass is 118.747, and r we talk about it's half of the diameter. That's 4 centimeters. If we were change that to meter, okay. Then be aware this is kilogram. Then the mass moment of inertia unit will be kilogram meter cube. That's what we wanted. Mass times area, right? Mass times distance squared. And what's this answer right here? So we can times them together. Then I got 0.094. 948 kilogram times meter square. All right, so that's a quick example to show how can we solve the mass moment of inertia. Okay, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.